The history of the IIHS Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, introduced the Top Safety Pick Award in 2006 to recognize vehicles that performed well in crash tests. Initially, it required good ratings in front, side, and rear tests. Over time, the criteria evolved to include roof strength in 2010 and the small overlap front test in 2013. By 2020, headlight performance and front crash prevention systems were also included. In 2013, the IIHS introduced the Top Safety Pick Plus award as a higher-tier recognition for vehicles that offered even greater safety. This award required good or acceptable performance in the small overlap front test, among other criteria. Both awards have become increasingly stringent, with updates such as an improved side crash test in 2023 and combined pedestrian crash prevention tests in 2024. The criteria continue to evolve, pushing automakers to enhance vehicle safety and protect drivers, passengers, and pedestrians more effectively. Their work has paid off, with 71 vehicles receiving a Top Safety Pick or Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, in 2024. Please note that the number of awards 5 years ago in 2019 was 57. We have to say that is a nice improvement.